In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Smartsheet desktop app. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Smartsheet website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the correct site before downloading any software, since this helps you avoid unofficial or outdated files. Once the website loads, take a moment to look through the home page or navigation menu for the desktop app section or a download option. When you find the download area, you'll need to choose the correct version for your computer. This is important because the installation file may be different depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. If you're not sure which type of computer or operating system you have, you may want to check that first so you download the version that matches your device. Choosing the right version from the beginning can help prevent installation issues later. After that, click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Some browsers may show the file at the top right of the screen, while others may save it directly to your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If your computer asks whether you want to allow the file to make changes, go ahead and approve it if you're sure it came from the official Smartsheet website. This is a normal part of the installation process on many systems. Next, follow the setup instructions that appear on your screen. In most cases, this simply means clicking through the prompts, reviewing any basic options, and allowing the installer to complete its work. Try not to close the installer while it's running and give it a moment to finish fully before moving on. If your computer asks you to drag the app into the applications folder or confirm installation preferences, just follow the on-screen guidance exactly as shown. After the installation is finished, open the Smartsheet desktop app and log in with your Smartsheet account. Once you're signed in, you should be ready to access your work, sheets, and projects directly from the desktop app, and that's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have Smartsheet downloaded, installed, and ready to use in just a few minutes.